Role play 1, discussion with a student.
A man meets a student and he talks with him. The discussion goes as follows.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am good. How about you?
Yes, I am good too, thank you. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Wow, Masha Allah. In which university do you study?
I study at Jamia Millia Islamia.
Masha Allah, that is good. I have heard about it. It is a very famous university in India, isn't it?
Our university is very good, and it is very famous as well.
That is good. And your teachers, how are they all?
All of our teachers and professors are very kind. They are very good teachers.
Do your teachers like you?
Yes, of course. My teachers like me very much.
Why do your teachers like you?
My teachers like me because I'm a hard-working student, and I do my work on time, and when they ask any question, I raise my hand to reply to the question.
Do you think teachers like lazy students?
No. Teachers do not like lazy students at all.
Okay, that's true. Tell me if you respect your teachers or not.
Yes, of course, I respect my teachers from the bottom of my heart, as a student must give due regard to his teachers.
Well, I just want to know if you read English literature or not.
Yes. I read English literature with very great interest.
Do you like the Urdu language?
Yes, I like it for sure. I like the Urdu language very much. That is why I have also memorized some Urdu poems.
Good. Mashallah, I am very happy to hear that. Could you please read out any poems in Urdu for me?
Yes, why not? I just read it out. Lab pe ati hai duwaban kai tamana meri lab pe ati hai duwaban kai tamana meri. Zindage shama ki surat ho kudayaya meri.
Masha Allah. This is a very good poem. I enjoyed it a lot. Who wrote it?
Yes, this poem has been written by Allama Iqbal.
Okay. All right, Mr. Masha Allah, I'm glad to meet you. Now you should go to the university. We will meet again, inshallah.
Okay, thank you. See you inshallah.
Bye.
Bye.